Jawa, my baby Jawa, my baby Jawa. I mean not make sure you know why I'm the pakwa make kako. Nigerian singer Davido be shot dead at an event. Ghanaian prophet predicts. To me Davido Nigeria ni wa share later more or taba Ghana pa na that crowd stone boy money stone boy card the baby boy name or tadi agro ye Ghana na no one some about the toja prophet Prince Elisha Osei Kofi I was simply say Nigerian musician ye Davido ya plot be after no Ghana say so oba han say ya obi beku oba ha say oba the event bi na say oyena dey say oba Ghana ha ba be hostisa event na obi bebe ntuo amana ye de amana wu ayeni insema ekoso na enkofo so aba be ka insem bebe aka ho say Ghana for dear che this a man who say I will be a popular na so obi agidi wasa fanemu no masada aka omu asema mo dia to na bra boso enko baby a mami sima na ye ba dia to aso. According to Prophet Prince Elisha Osei Kofi, I also I say Davido Waeden Yaboni Twamanewu Nansip with the Eche Ajuri Supi Enti Mashada Sunkra Afenia Bema Jamaica the one just no a bottom Sumunyama Aya Otiasia na a bon Sembise Susua Otimi Kamasem Emanisipi I wish I may sabon kuma Bema Jamaica Avanti a papa B so sao sa redase akwaba
josuni aba
yo ansema ababeto jani say Bema Davido Nigerian musician no sofu Ghana sofu bi fellow Prophet Prince Elisha Osei Kofi nature can say in the spiritual realm, in the spiritus no. No more than the actually says so. But then I say, the prophet to about them say, you be born to the about the two. No more say the video to your bar. I don't pay stone one. I have no dear go. Don't so much to bike. So no more chino more. One say according to him no or say the video back Ghana had say obi go to the economy after so when some man Nigeria krona kasa if you say at when chimbi confusion be about the tiesu krona super na asemketwa na simi akofa when chini kasa bebre etia osofono amemo kase Ghana so for dem dey no kan asema che say ebi hira ba so you say bia Yankopon hira ni pastor something na Yankopon sachia ni pa we say bia Yankopon sachia the video malaba betu na ni mala so de kan ni pede ebe ama me na mo de bia de wo nsema na mo yede mo kan di na wo kafa sa asemi
mini aba me da sepa ni akonya wa ma me ba too much figure kesi so me fa onya wisu so enchia ahwefo ne etiefo ene me nanfo ne adofo nyina no mo omsando wisu
obi ado dodo
ni aba bibli na waka na mpelfo eka se ansana me kanso be siniti ase no na wodia asase akachire
no
odifo asene a obeka ye yichira okafa Davido hu aka enye boniso but sina odiba another two social media no emna sese wa ma de aye boniso adentina mekasa se wo hwe bible ma tama Yakopon suma Isaiah si onko kanchire Hezekiah si ongo abuaro na ni wota ma so no wakwa wamfada ru an nam kuro an bum kon se Ezekiah bwawo na wo ta ma den aso se tete no na platform with social media internet wasn't there but for time me dey nkofo bono mu bo kuro ni na aza akoka kire Ezekiah no otuni na ko Ezekiah fie eno di message na Nyankopon di ama no okoka kire no na oka kire no so ablantie Ezekiah agi asemi to madenti na me kotu na me asi hu na isi asemi so for se nyame ayi yikire bi akire afa ablantie bi hu na se David hu a you don't have to come on social media and I say on air na on be ka asemi ni obi anti na hu se nkwa na ode nyame ayi bibi kire no that is a wrong way sankabu to me a ni pepe ma na ni mukoma esese umpe ablantie no number anase obi a oben na won fa se yikire na Nyankopon eya kira fa ablantie won fa ma no what the mama osuma fine won suma fine why wa fa mu de nyame suma ono yikire no why
opo make sure me chawano na ebetimi abaso se bia o try ye se nko be penetrate kwa na se nko be obi nya obi anka o wo David number nko obetimi aye de enya no esiso but obi o try ya no we nyanti na ma odi betu social media
ni obe ma we no odi ba out no odi ba out ya chese one try so try anka fan ba out one try because all say no a lot of asofo no omo o man ga na mi do omo ye no ene manya yikire afa se mesin entwaye mi nkasenti ya sofo biara ena me mama no so entu sofo biara
me ba lazi sofo osei Elisha yesi ono obi aso ka asama entofo me ahyenkoma esi adono ka esi pepe kwa enfamampo de enfaso
nya bema yefa emoto nchen adenti now if hwehwe ni pa chini kwan peni pani number do peni no na foni bi na wo kan kire no na ba to social media is not a problem solver you solve problem social media as of now they are becoming unbecoming the prophet are becoming unbecoming in a way that me nya kire wo yefu that they no mbutu nya kire ka si di no $1 na wonder tama yeah election time NDC MPP all core parliament when say so for be out there on the core parliament one then and they always the neck of the celebrities either the politicians or the celebrities will be I don't know what Kasi Ghana will become like Dubai I don't know what we are for the people mama want to suffer biara say na me eji obi won yi kire akirewa either you go to the person or you intercede for the person. If you are not able and ready to intercede for the person, keep the
prophecy, keep it to yourself.
Keep it to yourself. Don't come to any prophet or Robert Bar and social media or the Cassie, no means you will want actually say no, and you open nipa say nipa kanfu. You want hype, hype. Instead of them preaching the gospel to the lost souls and bring the lost souls to Christ for them to be saved, they are rather scattering the lost souls, bringing out prophecies which is not necessary. Then for prophecy and social media.
Okay, and I want you to say as some you bet me ama who be about the video ama Ghana ha on si hebium.
Meaning about so on si hebium a lot is so because the prophet in Ghana they are putting fear and panic into the youth to inform the fear and make the prophecy a war attack and kwa no modeba into Yakupon any prophecy on the prophecy a GDA kwashe womuda enye prophet or dia bankwa na prophet waka so bibiwu ebinu ba se shatawani bede ebinu so be ka se shatawani bede na prophet oba na so for stone boy dey say ebi dey say sakode ebinu dey say ebinu si sakode illuminati ebinu enche dia mo say on the strategy I preaches e wa so dey ebinu be kan ti ni ade ni na ba entwaye and I know say so obi any wiasenia for you to read wiasenia na say bring say nsɛnkyerɛnne anasɛ yi kyerɛ wɔn nyɛ afa no go to the person si na Isaiah ɛkɔ Ezekiah nkyɛn no na kɔka kyerɛ no sɛ wɔka kyerɛ no ɔgye tuma fine wangye atuma a ɛfa ho ɔba social media na ɔba bɛto dwa sɛ wɔnyɛ yi kyerɛ social media nyankopɔn ti social media nyankopɔn ti social media na waba bɛka ɛna yɛn na wɔbɛka kyerɛ on social media we are not the problem solver anase bɛtuma solve problem nti nkɔmhyɛ no a wɔde ba yɛ sɔfo nko a to asɔfo no ɔmo yɛ sa dɔm ngye asadeɛ no we are modern world ɛsɛ sɛ ɔmo wɔ nim bie ɔmo wɔ nim bie na ɔmo ɔsrɛ nim deɛ bebree na ɛyɛ ɔmo ba social media na ɔmo de process ɛbɛ kanta nkɔfo social media ɔmo nim deɛ a no man ne ti no nti na ɔmo yɛ sa asɛm a Jeremiah eka asem kane omo nim deɛ some people don't know how to interpret the word of God but rather to bring it on social media to work so what they are saying that to social media meaning that we are giving everybody platform to speak about it so be on card your platform and social media is not a place out there expecting respect for her.
Me ba o me nchawa no I say we share comments na be extra na be see you didn't see anything that will enhance Ghanaians brains always death prophecy eke say me o kan ye no esisubi ba ko so ka say I Ghanaian prophet all you know is dead and a wabna so ka say it has gotten to there that just say we keka kono yes pepe na o sha was say Ghana so for no prophet or send nkwanko o sha was say Ghana so for so mo na eche before celebrate so wa yes some be fair mu we kokoro no mo aye edi mpaya na so apanche bi ho o be ya na ma na so mo nkosua en ka say ayankopo asise say na ya me da de share no mo nkosua en come from to social media now me see to them so o say so mo kasa Graciema celebrities for an answer ni kwaso the way ni kwaso anu
no yen Gracia Emma celebrities no say wo de asemo yo be ka say chire wi afa celebrity no be say obaga na rebe go fa kwati so mbiku
on be shit
o say bu oman ni fi o ma perform say oman ni perform no o mo oman ni o ni pabone o mo penipa ni one so it is not that way and this are because ocean celebrities near few different countries but all ba of my Ghana ni ebe here enu omola do Adam Ghanaian ni guys ni bi papi actually out ni to be case so ba Ghana they are porting Ghana to Kenya o be fi say Nigeria for so on be fele say ni na for so on be fele say
on be Ghana more time can no
as a prophet you don't have to come out with this prophecy no and since of us are a lot of prophets who lack wisdom and knowledge to interpret or to bring the word of God out no and till I say some of us are see one what's your mind do mama we perform so Ghana your penipa you at we trust him two what's say abante ni this abante on bad game they be na on be cancer on my Ghana asofo na omowo man nu de be na ombeka nsa enye asofo bone ni fo kwansem no ombeka ombeka in general to all the prophets asofo the evangelists the teachers and we for ombeka wa ombeka ba no no go animals oh also for be sorry cassette ya Christian council for because of the prophet for prophetess for omo behavior ni omo attitude the way they bring issue out the prophecy out ni yitra out no ma in kofa the cassette ya asofo me le say patakali agros masisi le de ye kramu papa so phobia a great prophet enfa yidi anase iwe prophecy end out either you intercede for the person or you seek the person and give the person direction to follow. Don't come to social media any problem solver there is some problem no mun jai you should share me na there be your prophecy e be cool no mun bomba empire mun bomba e no on my Ghana mun bomba mo my Ghana no on my pen for no mo mun nya adventure no mun bo my ni no mun tum ka se ye nya chire se Ghana ba ba say Dubai USA UK na moja ewusem no da bia prophecy ade omko na omusum nyame enyo omko a osi okachire Ezekiel say Ezekiel hear the word of thy mouth and go to my people Israel go and warn them to stay away from their iniquities na se woko na okachire the bone ni so twi ne wufie ne bone na se wantwe ne wafu wu a ne moja me bisa fu nche ba se wan kwaka wu a me bisa fu nche sai na Yakobon kachire Ezekiel ne etiro wonja de omo ye no okay itire na no bi
me ba o can be wa ha say Yakobon kachire Ezekiel say wan kwaka ne moja no bele obe hihye ayeden efu no ho na Yakobon so okay what if say Yakobon so kachire prophet or say wanka asem no antu bejema na say wanka asem na nche David na say eba say David ehire ne kra obebisa no moja won ho e no so so
mame to find Davido na easy although it will be difficult but since Yakobon ene amma yi kire se ka kire abrante no kwanya Yakobon be fa so a osabe ka Yakobon abrante no Davido no obekire o say kwano so na the message prophecy na dey amma abrante no Yakobon can to say I'm giving you prophecy and I say may we be the Atlantic social media and I say TV station radio station and I say net so na kokase say me say chabante no God doesn't do or deal in that way so each one either you stand in as intercessor for the person or you go to the person what tell akwanchire offer so sina obetwitwa obegini wedi yen ma prophecy emba radio station me country pasisi no mini that ehwehwehwani eye adwuma
okay yo yen me no ayebe ayemba social media emba the ma prophecy and social media say dey nya be man kan social media any problem solver social media and solve problem na say prophecy no we can say and solve and do bia when you are man na eni no atwetwe nkomo I no so na ginche anything efa prophecy ya prophet Osei eka emafa David ohunu no so na ginche ni any day when your comment section hunu for ginche na find them efa to go afa so call YouTube to my subscribe my Instagram any trader also no go subscribe with the MI because too much there we bring you the best yeah we bet me and simply say I there abro I need the efia ensuma bakope efia ensuma ohien ebo ewiase afa na nyina makra mo da se ne ye besenhia